So I'm back with another video today. Today I really wanted to do this review on this product right here. It's called Confident and it's the ultimate scratch and swirl remover. So I'm really excited to test this product out. I bought me a new car, y'all. Let them see the car. Get out the way. Get out. Are you a car? So anyways, I bought this car and it is a used car, so it's not perfect. There are some imperfections. I'm going to show you guys some scratches that I have here, and then we're going to put this product on it and see if it works. So basically all I have to do is make sure the paint is clean and dry. So I went and got my car washed, so everything is clean and dry. Apply a few penny-sized drops to a clean applicator pad and gently rub onto the affected area in a circular overlapping motion. So after that, you keep rubbing the product into the surface and then you will see it disappearing. Alright guys, I found a really good scratch right here. That's a pretty good old scratch. I'm gonna see if this thing can work magic. Okay, here we go. Doesn't seem to be doing much, but I'm gonna keep on trying. Circular motions, that's the key apparently. Did it seem to get smaller, guys? Wait a minute, or am I tripping? Let me know if I'm tripping. Okay, I'm putting about this much this time. Gonna lay it right on top of that bad boy. Maybe if I soak it for a little bit, it'll work better.
I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, it's a workout, y'all. It's a workout. Okay. I think I'm tripping. Thought it was getting smaller, but now I'm looking at it again. Pretty much looks the same.
So I would give this a fail on this one. Alright, now for the big test. As you can see, got this big, huge scrape along the side. This is a used car. It's not perfect. I don't really have high hopes, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. See what happens. So this is the before. Alright guys, this is the after. I'm going to take a picture and place it side by side so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so right here, there's minor scratches. And watch, they're going to disappear. Watch. Look at that. The scratch is going to be gone. What I'm going to do is, after I do both of these, is take a microfiber towel and wipe this white residue away. And you guys will see the difference. This one, it's not working too well on this one. Let me apply some more. Let me see if I can make this one disappear. Voila. Sorry if I'm breathing hard, y'all. Like, this is hard work. Whew. Whew, my arm burns. Let's see what we come up with here. Y'all, look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh, I am pretty impressed. That's amazing. All right, you guys, that is my final review on Confident. So I recommend it. 10 out of 10. If you have any bigger scrapes or scratches than the ones that I showed you guys, it is not going to work. It's not a miracle worker like that, but for those little scratches and imperfections you guys have, this definitely does the job. So get you some Confident. I will link it down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.